Hello, Paxon kindergartners. This is Miss Kate here for your next installment of movement and creativity. So today we're going to go back to what we did last time, and I'm going to have you start in a neutral position. So this is where we stand with our 2 feet solidly on the ground and our arms next to each other. And then we're going to work on our breath ball. So go ahead and create that breath ball again. Put it right in front of your tummy and we'll inhale. Grow your breath ball nice and big and exhale. Bring it back in. Inhale and exhale. Getting a little bit more connected to our bodies by finding our breath. Inhale and exhale. Let's tuck our breath ball back in. And now we worked through 3 levels, and they were low, medium, and high. We made different shapes in our different levels at low, medium, and high. So right now, let's start by making a low level shape. I'm going to get on my back, and I'm going to crunch my body in really, really tightly. And this is my low level shape. I'm going to see if I can make it a little bit more fantastic. Here's Scotch to help me. I'm going to reach out. Oh, here's another low level shape, making it more fantastic. And more fantastic. And even more fantastic. Those were my low level shapes. Super fantastic shapes. Let's do medium level shapes. I'm going to start here in this fantastic shape. What kind of shape are you making? And now I'm going to make it even more fantastic by bending my back and bending a knee. More fantastic. And more fantastic. And even more fantastic at a medium level. Let's go back to our breath ball. Taking our hands in front of our bellies, inhale and exhale. Moving on to high level fantastic shapes. I might even come up on my tiptoes and arch my body, high level shape. Look, I'm coming right at you. Another high level fantastic shape, or a balancing fantastic shape. What kind of fantastic shape can you make at a high level? Make a fantastic shape at a high level. Make a fantastic shape at a medium level. Make a fantastic shape at a low level. Make a fantastic shape medium level. Low level again. High level. And back to our neutral bodies. Inhale and exhale. We're going to add on to our fantastic shapes. We're going to move. Now, there are some rules for moving around. I'm sure in your house and at your friends' houses, wherever you're staying, there's some rules about maybe not going too quickly. Maybe we're asked to go a little bit more slowly in the house, or our voices for sure need to be so we'll have quiet voices. But our movements might be nice and bold and strong. So let's make an agreement right now that we're only going to touch 2 things when we're in our creative movement class. We're going to touch the floor. And it could be the floor with your feet. It could be with your knees. Or like I had earlier, on my back. The other thing I'm going to only touch, besides the floor, just the air around me. So I'm going to keep my hands away from the walls. I'm going to keep my hands away from any furniture or chairs or tables. And I'm going to keep my hands away from any family or friends that are around me. I'm going to try to keep my hands away from my dogs, but sometimes they like to join in. Okay, so if you're able to make that agreement, then we're just going to touch the floor and the air around us. Go ahead and give yourself a nice big pat on the back. I'm making that agreement too. So I'm going to give myself a nice pat on the back. All right, So as we start to move around a little bit, we're going to start by just picking up one foot and placing it down. Instead of stomping, we're going to see if we can slowly shift our weight back and forth. High knee walking. And let's add in our arms. We're going to go across our bodies, tapping an elbow to the knee. This is called a cross crawl, where I'm moving across my body. And let's see if we can walk forward. So I'm going to get really close to you. And then I'm going to walk back. I'm going to get back up a little bit. And back to my neutral body. So we just, at a high level, walked forward and back. Let's see if we can get into a medium level. And we're going to reach to one side and reach to the other side. Reach at a medium level and reach. Reaching. And then I'm going to walk forward and reach, moving around my space. Reaching at a medium level and back. Now this next one's going to be fun. Do you remember what the third level was? We had high, medium, and low when we're on the ground. So this is going to be super fun because we're going to crawl. And we're going to crawl around in a circle. So let's crawl at a low level. Crawling around in a circle. I went in one direction. I'm going to go in the other direction. And then stand up and back to 2 feet planted on the ground. Let's put some of these together. So let's do 2 of our reaches at a high level. Walking forward 1 step, 2 steps. And then let's do 2 reaches back. 1, 2. And then we're going to do 2 of our sways to the right. At a medium level, sway, 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 and then onto the floor, crawling. Crawl forward, 2, and back, 1, 2. We did 2 reaches, and another 2 reaches, and then 2 crawls on the ground. So how many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different actions. Let's put those together again. 2, 1, reach high, 2, sway, 1, 2, and on the floor, crawl, 1 and 2. Let's add them together, starting from our crawl. So we'll count. Crawl 1, crawl 2. Now, adding 3 and 4, reaching 5 and 6. Good job. Come back to your neutral body. Let's start in the middle. So we'll sway for 2. 1 and 2. Let's add on. Crawling for 2. 3 and 4. And reaching for 2. 5 and 6. Nice work. How many crawls did we do? 2. How many high level reaches did we do? 2. And how many mid-range sways did we do? 2. Good job. So that was 6 movements all together. Let's go back to our belly breath. Big inhale and exhale. So today we worked on our 3 levels: low, medium, high. We made our agreement that the only 2 things we would touch are the floor and the air around us. And then we added on by moving forward, moving backwards, and moving to either side. We also did a little bit of math. That was super fun. Have a great rest of your day. This is Miss Kate. See you later.